This video is going to be about how to get the Louis Vuitton filter and other many cool filters you have been seeing lately. I was really confused to how people was getting this filter. I've been on Snapchat. There was nothing there. I was like, how they getting this? I was not thinking about Instagram, so I was so confused. Then I had to Google it on YouTube. That's how I find out how to do this. So I'm teaching you how to do this in case you're confused, because I was hella confused. So yeah, stay tuned. Make sure to watch it to the end so you could learn everything. It's so easy to do it. Okay. The first thing we're gonna do is go to Gracie and Maryland page. And click the middle icon picture, the face picture, and click whichever filter you like. I'm just gonna click on the first one and click try it in the bottom, and then you try, and then you click on the name of the filter. You see the arrow that is down, you click on that, and then you click save. It's already saved on my phone. I'm gonna unsave it and save it again. Yeah. And you just try another filter. Repeat the process. Yeah, just do you. You click on the name and then click save. I was just trying this one to see if I didn't like it. I already had the rest of the cool filter that she had that I like. As you saw it in the beginning of this video, I was just playing around for the purpose of this video. That's pretty much it. You just have to go to the person page and click the face icon thing in the middle of the page, and then you click on the filter that you like. You try it if you like it. Then you click on the name of the filter, and then you save it, and it's gonna be in your Instagram filter there.